Good morning, Ernest, and thank you for your interest in the 2013 Kia Soul right here. My name is Kevin Smith here at Tameron Hyundai, and I welcome you. I need you to get down here as soon as possible. This car here is one exceptional vehicle. As small as it may look, it is very deceptive as well. Very roomy, very spacious vehicle. Ernest, I want you to come take a closer look here. As you can see here, it is in the molten red color, hot color there. Big Kia front plate there, sign there. Projection headlights, fog lights. Sitting on some nice big alloy wheels with some excellent tires. Side markers on the side view mirrors there. This car has a whole lot of things to offer for you, Ernest. Take a look on the inside. Look at that two-tone leather interior there. My friend, this is a great vehicle. It even has the stitching of soul on the seats there for you, man. So you know this car got a lot of it. Up top here, sunroof for you to let those sun rays come in for you. Big screen here is also touch screen. Infinity sound system with Bluetooth, Sirius XM radio. On the steering wheel, you have plenty of controls here for your Bluetooth, volume control. You can change your mode settings on your screen here. AC blows wonderfully cold air, heat for the winter for you as well. It also has heated seats, my friend, for the driver and the passenger side. Ernest, I need you to get down here, man. This car is not going to stay out here long, so I promise you, if you get down here today for me, I can make this happen for you. Ernest, again, my name is Kevin Smith here at Tameron Hyundai, right here at 1591 Montgomery Highway, right across from the big Wells Fargo Bank. And you can give me a call on the on my cell phone at 205-540-3113, or right here at the office. I'm here till 8 p.m. tonight, 205-380-6250. Ernest, once again, I need you here ASAP. So get down here to Tameron Hyundai, and I guarantee you're going to love the way you're treated. Thank you.